Satnam and welcome. I'm Param Dev and this is Yogic Living. Today I'm going to teach you a meditation to keep away the shadows, to help keep you clean and clear. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. But before we do, hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. So let's go ahead and put our palms at the center of our chest, close down our eyes, focus at our 1/3 eye, take a big deep inhale, and begin with me. Om Namo Namo Om Namo Namo Om Namo Namo. Inhale, suspend the breath. Feel that connection to your higher self, to the universe, to the golden chain of teachers. Exhale. Inhale once again, suspend the breath. Feel the connection. Exhale. Last chance, inhale, suspend the breath. And exhale. Keep your palms at the center of your chest, keep your eyes closed. And we're going to tune in a little further with the Mangalacharn mantra. Angananama, Jugangananama, Satgananama, Siddhi Gurudevanama. Adgananama, Jugangananama, Satgananama, Siddhi Gurudevanama. Adgananama, Jugangananama, Sadgananama, Siddhi Gurudevanama. Inhale, suspend the breath. Feel the protection wrapping around you like a warm blanket. Exhale. Inhale once again, suspend the breath. Exhale. Last time, inhale, suspend the breath. And exhale, relax the posture. So, we just got done tuning in. Now we're going to get right into it. So we're going to do a meditation that is called, well, the common name is called the Clean and Clear meditation. It is Gupt Kamal Gyaan Mudra. And what we're going to do is we're going to have our fingers together, all together, touching. We're going to put in about 15 pounds of pressure on our fingers. Each of these fingers, each of our fingers, relate to a different part of your brain. The index finger works on communication, prosperity. I'm sorry, not communication. The index finger works on your knowledge and your prosperity. The middle finger has to do with patience and wisdom. The ring finger has to do with vitality, health. The pinky finger has to do with communication. The thumb is our grounding, is our earth. So we bring all these together in what is known as Gupt Kamal Gyaan Mudra. And we're going to be doing a mantra with this. So we're going to take a big deep inhale. We're going to chant Ramadasa. And then we're going to take another deep inhale. Sa se so hung. And we're going to do that. So let's practice that. So I'm going to put on the timer here. Put our hands again around our heart center. All the fingers together. 15 pounds of pressure. And let's begin. Ramadasa. Sa se so hung. 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 Inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale. Inhale once again, suspend the breath. Exhale. Last chance, inhale, suspend the breath. exhale, relax the posture. Well, that was the Gupt Kamal Gyaan Mudra. And we just did that for 3 minutes just to give you a taste of this meditation. And you can practice this for, let me see what it says here, for 31 minutes. So if you want to take this as a practice, you can work your way up to, well, initially I would recommend working your way up to 11 and then continue on to 31 minutes if that is your desire with this. So this hand position is called Gupt Kamal Gyaan Mudra, and it also is known as Tatwaban. And like I said before, it brings the energies to the different parts of the brain, helps to balance them out. And another thing, this meditation can free people from mental, physical, and spiritual shadows that are in your life right now. So if you feel like your life is too dark and too heavy, this would be a good meditation to practice. Well, that's all I have to teach you today. So let's put our palms at the center of our chest, close down our eyes, focus at our 1/3 eye, and inhale for 3 long satnams. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Thank you for taking the shadows away from our life and making our lives clean and clear, happy, healthy, and holy. Waheguru Kakasa, Waheguru Fate. Well, if you like this video, my friends, give this a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. And I did write a book. It's about my spiritual journey. It's called Why I Wear This Thing on My Head. If you would like to obtain a copy, I'll leave that in the description down below. Satnam, my friends. Until next time. Waheguru Kakasa, Waheguru Fate.